Guys, do you remember when I said that you can literally make $10,000 with a minimum of 10 bucks? Let me explain. The top box right there where it says transfer more, that's through your account number, okay, with your bank account. The second box is through a credit card. Or a debit card, rather. You use the debit card, transfer $50 over, boom, within 2 hours, you'll see the additional 25 bucks. But if you use the top one, that's going to be with your account number. So that's ACH. That can be roughly about 1 to 3 business days. Nonetheless, you get the $25. Nonetheless, right away, you're in the game within the same 24 hours to make $10,000 like everybody, like we're telling everybody. It's Christmas coming up, guys. Okay, Thanksgiving is over. Let's get this money. Share this. If you have any questions, it's an email that you'll be able to contact us below. Don't forget, that's 75, 75, 75, 75, 75. You can do that roughly about 133 times, I believe. That's 9,975 bucks. Don't forget the 25 that you initially started with. That's 10,000. Let's go.